In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 real proven ways to make $10,000 a month. You seriously want to watch this video till the end because what I'm going to tell you is solid and can literally change your life. No, seriously. I'm also going to do you a solid and give you some insight into each one along with some really good tips. You don't want to miss this, I promise. Also, if you stay to the end, I'll add 2 extra to make it 7 instead of 5. Sound good? This day and age, we are learning that you can't always depend on a 9 to 5 or to climb that corporate ladder. Let's just use me for instance. I was in IT for over 20 years and I was well on my way to climb the corporate ladder. And it didn't really do me a whole lot of good when all of a sudden I was with the company for 11 years as a senior network engineer and the whole department got laid off. At one point, I would say that I was very confident that I would never be one of these people that lost their jobs or got laid off. That's just what I got for thinking, right? The truth is more and more people are turning to the online world. And those numbers are going to grow fast, very fast. Check this out. What is the growth rate of digital marketing? The compound annual growth rate of digital marketing from 2020 to 2026 is projected at 9%. Digital display is projected to grow at a 15.5% CAGR, while search is projected to grow at 12.2%. Search accounts for 40.9% of the global digital advertising and marketing market. So we might as well face it and, well, simply jump in and discover how to ride the online wave. Wrong kind, but you get my point, right? Listen, you simply need to pick one of these and go all in. Commit and stay persistent. And you'll be successful. Not that hard, right? All right. Number 1, become a freelancer. Now, there's all kinds of stuff that you can do. You can offer services such as writing, web design, marketing, being an appointment setter, content manager, high-ticket closer, doing artwork for people, create a YouTube channel. This is a screenshot from my partner Victor Perry's. So, as you can see, it's definitely possible. You should totally check out his channel, by the way. If you like my content, then you'll love his too. Hey, he's like a male version of me. I'll add his channel in the description for you to check it out, okay? I mentioned high-ticket closers. I have several different friends who make a killing at doing this. And usually closers make more than setters. But along with myself, a lot of us marketers pay their setters the same. Basically, when it comes to freelancers, the ideas are endless. I could create a video on this topic all by itself, helping with websites, add the job on Fiverr, and then boom, you're an automatically a freelancer. 2 is dropshipping. Now you can create and you can sell a whole dropshipping store, but dropshipping, it's a type of e-commerce business model where you can source products, usually physical products, from a third-party supplier and have them shipped directly to your customers. You don't need to keep any inventory on hand or shipping or anything like that. But I did this back in my day and it got real costly with running ads. Now, I mean, back then we didn't have TikTok and stuff like that. So you can do a whole lot of stuff that's free now than run ads, but running ads just got so costly and you had to keep running this ad to find that this product was good enough and run this ad to find out if that product was good enough. And it just killed me at the same time as I didn't really feel fulfilled. If that makes sense. No, like I said, the hardest part with dropshipping is to make sure that you actually have a really good product. And a lot of people talk about Shopify, but CommerceHQ is what I used to use. And the good thing about CommerceHQ is they actually help you with the products to find. So it's a whole lot easier this day and age than whenever I did it back in the day. So not only do I know a thing or two about it, but I know tons of people that has been really, really successful. I mean, who knows, maybe if I would have stuck with it, I'd be doing really good. but I got tired of it after a year or two and moved on. Before I go to the next one, I have to ask you to subscribe if you like my content anyways. Cool thing is, it's absolutely free. Number 3 is create and sell online courses. Online courses, they're a great way to make money online. You can create and sell courses on topics such as business, web development, design, or even photography. My favorite is goat cages. I use this example all of the time because I love it. I was even telling a friend of mine how I use this example when I talk about, goat cages. When I first learned all of this, like 5 years ago, I had found that there was this guy that had created a course on goat cages. And I was like, okay, no, the guy did really good. I'm like, if this guy can create a course on goat cages, then this shows that anybody can create courses and make money online. And the guy didn't know about it or hadn't heard the story. I even did a video and was like, see? And I did it in front of goats. I was just pretty cute, but it's really true. Number 4 is to start a blog. Creating and maintaining a blog is a great way to make money online. People do it all the time. You can earn money by selling physical products or digital products or any kind of service for that matter. You can even do writing sponsored content or display ads. As a marketer, I have one myself. It is shellyhopkins.com if you wanted to check that out. A blog is also good for those of you that don't want to be on camera. I talk to a lot of people that don't want to be on camera. I have several videos with all kinds of different things that you can do with the blog on my channel. I'll add one here that you can check out after this video, of course. If you're thinking that you don't like to write, that's okay, because you can always hire someone else, which leads me to number 5, which is copywriting. You can find freelance copywriting jobs on all kinds of different sites. You can look also on job websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru. Now, if you are new to all of this, you must know though, a copywriter is not just an average writer. Copywriters have to be able to understand the needs of their clients and find the best way to communicate with their message to their target audience. They must be able to craft compelling copy. Copy is basically writing of the words that engages readers to encourages them to take action. They must also have a good understanding of grammar, syntax, and the right language to create effective and persuasive copy that can communicate the message. I would say to be a really good copywriter, you should have an understanding of digital marketing and be able to create content that is optimized for search engines and other digital platforms. A great example is a friend of mine. She's a copywriter and she started learning from taking affiliate courses and stuff. And she loved the copywriting part so much that she decided just to do it full time. A lot of times you can take courses and such and you really don't know what's your thing until you get going and you just start to do one thing like video a whole lot better. Number 6 is ads or an ads agency. Now, if you're willing to learn this skill, you can seriously bank. Become a high baller. If you were to learn this skill, you could have people pay you to run all of their ads. Individuals, businesses, it doesn't matter. You can even open up your own ad agency, which a lot of people do. I always figured it was smart to learn ads. That way you can run them for yourself. And if you choose to pay someone, that way that you know that they're doing it right. That way you don't get ripped off. Now, if you are interested in learning ads, a friend of mine and his partner, Rick, who is a freaking genius when it comes to ads, have a course that just came out. So I'll add that link in the description if you want to check it out. Yes, I do earn a small commission if you were to make any purchases, but it's a win-win. You learn how to do ads and I get a tad of money for recommending you to an excellent product, which means it's a total win-win. Number 7, become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a very popular way to make money online. It's basically selling other people's stuff and making a commission. You can earn a commission from sales made through what's called an affiliate link. This right here, this is an affiliate link. I love affiliate marketing because you don't have to deal with any sales. You don't have to deal with any products, refunds, and most importantly, customer service. All the issues that I had when I had my e-commerce business. No wonder I'm not in that no more. Plus, you don't have to create a product yourself. Like I said, it's a win-win. You should be promoting something, though, that you like or that you believe in. Software is a good thing also to promote because it's usually something that you're using and the commission's reoccurring. I only promote what I use, though. And if I promote a course, you better believe I'm going to be in it. Basically, if you like helping people and talking about things that you enjoy and that you like and that you use, then this is for you. But if not, then you definitely don't want to do affiliate marketing. That's why I find it fulfilling, though, is because I can actually help someone. My niche is making money online, but a few other good ones is in the health and wealth niche and love and relationships. At least these are three that's going to be really good to do because they're the three top that make money. This is life-changing stuff, I promise. Want to check out a free training, then check out a link in my description. Do me a favor, and out of the 7, put what number was your favorite way to make 10K in the comments. Now, if you have made it this far, you should pat yourself on the back because that means that maybe, just maybe, you are serious enough to pick one and to simply start, commit, and follow through. Okay, friends, hopefully you liked this video and you chose at least what number down below in the comments that you like the most. And hopefully you're willing to start in one of them and to go all in. Now, if you did like this video, something tells me that you're going to like this next one because it's some other ideas with some digital marketing that I think is going to help you out. So go ahead and check that one out right after this one. And I'll be in there, so I'll see you there. Okay, let's go.